Hey everyone, it's Amy, and it must be Year of the Mermaid because I'm back with another mermaid-inspired look.
Whoa, 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 yeah, we are in the place to be, yeah, 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 yeah.
So I have my nails filled and ready to go, and we're going to start off by applying that glitter. So for my glitter base, I usually use my Young Nails gel in Flex. This is a super runny gel. It's good to put a thin layer before you put the glitter. And so I apply this on my ring finger as well as my thumb. And the glitter we're going to use today is from Glitter Heaven, Australia. It is called Mermaid Love, and it is the most gorgeous purple iridescent glitter ever. Like, it is so pretty. So while the gel is still wet, I go ahead and dip my nail into the glitter, and then I press the glitter into the gel to set it and kind of dust off a little bit of the excess before I cure it. And once the glitter is cured into the gel, I'm going to go ahead and encapsulate them. And so for my encapsulation, I use Young Nails Build Gel. So I just put down a slick layer on top of the glitter, and then I build up my nail. So here is what it looks like encapsulated and cured. And here is what it looks like after filing. And so on the rest of the nails, we're going to go in with Light Elegance's Centaur of Attention. This is from their new summer collection, and this is probably one of my favorite shades in the collection. It is so pretty. It's like a purple iridescent. It's kind of got a blue undertone, but it also has that pink shift in it. I love purples, so of course I love this color, and I'm so excited to use it with Mermaid Love because they pair so well together. It's like they were made for each other. And so I do 2 coats of this on all of the nails.
whoa, 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 yeah, we are in the place to be. Yeah, 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 yeah.
And now we're going to go in with some stamping, so I do take off the tacky layer before I do my stamping. And for stamping plate, I'm using Bundle Monsters Extra Large 211. And for stamping polish, I'm going to use Sally Hansen's Wisteria, which is kind of like a lighter pink-purple color. And I'm also going to use Purple Heart, which is more of that blue-purple color. So I'm going to actually ombre these two colors together. So I put the lighter purple on half of the design and I put the darker purple on the other half of the design. And then I scrape together and kind of blend them a little bit and then pick them up with my stamper. And I go in and do this same technique, but I do flop the light and the dark purple around. And now we're going to add some Swarovski crystals. So I'll be using my Stay Put Jelly from Daily Charm. And then the crystals we're going to be using today is white opal. And I always forget how pretty the white opal crystals are. I definitely got to use them more. So I just apply a few accents on the thumb and my pinky finger. And now we'll go in with top coat. I will be using my Light Elegance's Super Shiny. And so here's how my nails came out. I absolutely love this shade and this glitter. They're so gorgeous just on themselves. I kept the design fairly simple because I wanted the glitter and this color to speak for itself, but we do have that kind of like mermaid vibe going on. So I will leave a link in the description box down below of the 2 other mermaid looks I've done this year. I guess it's just Year of the Mermaid. But I hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks for watching and make sure you subscribe. Bye!